Hey everyone, I feel the universe gives us like hints, tips and signs, and also synchronicities, which is a hint, tip and sign. Excuse the noise. Through making things like break for us, malfunction, not work or get lost, or for things to not work out. And that could involve, like, let's say something like happening in the job where you lose your position or you lose your job. It could be you have to like move house because like the water breaks and it's flooded, or it could be like your business like goes down the drain. It could be your relationship goes down the drain. That happened to me once. Well, where I didn't choose it, so to speak. Yeah, like even things like you lose, or your phone charger breaks. Sorry, I have to fix that. The sensor got like wet or something. It's not like dangerous or anything like that, but anyway, yeah. Yeah, like for example, like for me, my what is it? Something with my phone. Yeah, like if something's like kind of not really fully working, maybe it's a sign to get a new phone, an upgrade, a change of scenery, a change of functioning, relocating, new girlfriend, new partner, just changing to be single for a while. There's always lessons on things like moving you forward in life. And if you look really carefully, I bet you anything you'll find like number synchronicities or number patterns or numbers repeating in, like, it could be your phone number, it could be your car registration. It's happened to me a lot. House number, birthdays, death days, anniversaries in your family, where when people have met each other, like their anniversary meeting like many years ago, or when they break up. I've had all of this happen, my friends, all of it. I really have. And I really just feel like it's the universe or your higher self like telling you, okay, time for a change, time for something new. And it's okay. Like as a human, we want to like hold on to the old because we become like comfortable in the habit, even if it's not like the best job for us. It's not our passion, it's not what we really want to do. Even if it's a relationship that's not really working out properly, it's not really fulfilling, you don't really feel like, there's something missing, and you know it, and it's just not good. Or even it could be even just a really negative relationship. But just nice little golden kiwis there. Had 2 packets this morning for brekkie and a little bit of melon before that. But yeah, that's all I really want to say. Like, I hope this video helps you to let go of the old and to accept change, accept loss, and accept the new. For example, like with me, like my online chess app, I'm just like not really focusing on losing my chess lately, kind of like my little quick 3-minute games. But I haven't really been playing a lot either. But when I do play, I guess I'm not really focused, my heart's not in it, or I'm just not really concentrating properly because it's a super, like the blitz game, super fast. And I feel that's the universe kind of telling me, oh, just give it up for a while, take a break, like, because there's something else that's like earnestly prompting my attention, that's like passionately calling me, and that is to finish and to release my books that I want to share with the world, and to create my new website. And that's like all very passionate for me. I really love that. It's my calling, and I can't wait. I'm very excited. I can wait, but I just it's such a yes. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to is what I mean. I'm really looking forward to sharing that with the world. All I've learned in the last 15 years since I started my awakening and healing journey. And for anyone who doesn't really fully know like what that means exactly, and I bet you, I know you do a lot, like if you're watching my videos, but like some symptoms of trauma include stuff like depression, addiction, such as like it could be spending, it could be basically addictions and things to distract yourself from your emotions, your pain, your hurt, your automatic reactions and reactivity in life. Depression, sadness, anxiety, definitely anxiety and fear. It can be it could be like any other addiction, like gambling, sex, some sex related addiction, unhealthy sexual type of stuff, and accumulating things, clutter, like buying and accumulating too many things, just imbalanced stuff, overeating, eating bad, like things that make you feel like poorly regularly and repetitively. So like obviously then it has like such big emotional flare-ups in relationships and arguments and fighting and disconnection, even abuse, verbal, physical and mental, emotional abuse, so like, and obviously just not feeling like happy in life, feeling sad, and like just feeling a bit like disconnected or lost. So for me it's a huge thing, and like I've been through a big bunch in my life, and I really want to help other people. So yeah, I'm looking forward to like helping on a much more deeper and professional and monetized level, where I like proper recognition, appreciation and value expressed from me and my work too, because I made over like around 1,400 YouTube videos. But like, because of the algorithms, I just get like 50 views per video these days to 100, which is like just really silly. It's kind of pretty crappy in some ways. But at the end of the day, like, that's not where my worth lies, and I know that, and I feel that. I don't feel bad because that's as if that's where my worth lies. But it's just because of YouTube algorithms, I feel, predominantly. Because I sell herbs and I have herb links, I think there's definitely censorship, because YouTube is totally 100% connected to Big Pharma, and so is Facebook and Instagram. And yeah, a lot of censorship there, as you know. But I get like adorable, loving messages regularly enough. Just people seem like some people, most people aren't like indifferent towards me, it seems. Well, maybe it is, but no one really dislikes me too much, or like, some people are triggered because I share sometimes controversial, non-mainstream information on Facebook. But yeah, I have a lot of like real, sincere, deep love and appreciation for me from very mature and advanced and wise souls, and people who've walked life and have a lot of experience and know exactly what I'm talking about here, and they respect me. I respect them. We understand each other. They've been through the path of healing, and they know exactly what I'm talking about. And people who like just generally are in the midst of healing, and they love what I'm sharing, Yeah. It's a touching subject, I do really get some really lovely messages, and I really love that so much. So, anyway, friends, look forward to sharing with you a free ebook that I'm going to be releasing soon on self-awareness, followed by my other books on a variety of topics, okay? I will talk to you about that another time. I hope you have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching, sharing your time and attention. Have a beautiful now moment always, and I wish you a happy day with your family, friends, or even if just by yourself, and in nature as well. Have fun, my friends. Have fun. Be lighthearted. Let loose a little bit. Have a bit of fun. Be playful. Don't be too serious, okay? Thanks. Lots of love. Check out my links below. Befriend me on social media. I'd love to connect and collaborate. Share. Say hello to me. Send me a little message. Say hello. Why not? And for anyone who wants any further help or coaching on health issues, relationship problems, or overall emotional, mental issues, or blockages or problems, so to speak, I'd love to help, as well as 15%, just 40% off the coaching, and there's also 15% off my Herbstar Higher Self Herb. So look forward to hearing from me, and thank you, my friends. Have a beautiful day. Respect and honor to you. Big time.